How to create Redbubble account. In this video, we're going to quickly go ahead and create our Redbubble account in the easiest way. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to come over to redbubble.com. Here, we're going to click on sign up. Now, once you click on sign up, what's going to happen over here is it's going to bring you over here. Now, you have two options. Either you could sign up as an artist or you could sign up as a customer. So let's say I'm going to sign up as a customer right now, and now it's going to ask your email. So I'm going to use this email of mine over here. So just click on paste, then you have your username, and then we finally have our password. So efficiently go ahead and add the accurate data that you want to add. And once you add all these things, simply click on sign up. And once you click on sign up, what's going to happen from there is it's going to sign you up through the details that you have given. It might also ask you to verify your email, okay? But once we've done all of this, as you can see, we are signed up with Redbubble. So that's pretty much about it. That's how you can create an account on Redbubble in the easiest way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.